taking the backpack out to do some overnight camping. Trying to get to this spot pretty quickly. I had to work today, so I got out at 11 and kind of just packed everything up, and now I'm headed out on this trail. This trail is actually behind one of my buddy's house, so I was able to just park my car at his driveway and then kind of just hike to where I wanted to get to. I also have one of my friends that's probably going to come and meet me. I don't think he's going to end up coming, but we'll see. Maybe he will come through. But either way, I'm out here. And yeah, I need to set up my hammock, get firewood. I gotta get going. I think I found my spot. It's beautiful. Spaced out trees, flat. Right here. I think this is it, boys. Wow, it is so beautiful here. I'm gonna show you the hammock setup. I couldn't use the stakes, man. Too rocky, too frozen. So this right here, solid. I was able to tie onto this piece of wood. This one I was able to tie onto this little tree, which is like embedded into the ground, completely solid. Not going anywhere. It's got this rock tied off, solid. Not going anywhere. So yeah, I'll show you the hammock setup. All right. So, first layer is this reflective foam pad. Then it's the air mattress. Then I got my sleeping bag and my pillow. And yeah, this should keep me warm all night, no problem. So yeah, that's the hammock setup right there. And now I'm gonna build the fire pit. So it's getting darker out. We got the fire going. My buddy showed up, so got the fire. He's got his chair. I got my stool. Gathered up some wood. About to cook in a little bit. Probably gonna relax and have a beer, but we'll go here. He's got his tent over here. So what's the MSR watt? Do you know? Electro?
Elixir 2.
Elixir, okay. Yeah, so this is my buddy's tent, MSR Elixir 2. It's a nice little setup. It wasn't that difficult to put up either. It kind of just popped up and clipped on the poles. It's kind of nice. It's got the footprint. Ultralight. Pretty sweet. Yeah, all right. All right, I gotta drink a beer, and then we'll cook some food up in a little bit. Got a beer here. It's have you ever heard of Broken Symmetry Brewing? Broken Symmetry Brewing. It's called the Nimbus Double IPA, 8.5%. It's really good. All right, we got us some chicken, seasoned up. Boom. There she is. Here's that front one. Is it still? I don't know. Is it? Yeah, shouldn't be. Yeah, just pick her up, man. How is it? So good. So yeah, I'm in the hammock, and you can see the fire. Such a good view from here. All right, so I'm gonna get some sleep, and I'll see you in the morning. All right, heading out of here. This has been real. It's beautiful here though. Just gonna hike back to the car and call it a day. I'll see you guys. Thank you.